Hello everybody, it's GB here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. We're here. We're in Medical Station XO6, something like that. I don't know. But we got a new armor, I believe. The Crystal X armor. And that is loud. Maybe I should turn it down. No, that'd be good. Maybe not that far. Okay. That's good. As you can see, we have no weapons besides the freaking Sproutomatic and the slingshots. We need to get our weapons back, starting with the lacerators, the dual lacerators. Hit that running though. I'm just kidding. Looks like he's freaking leaning because it's so heavy. I'm just kidding. Okay, now let's go to the grind lock. Oh, intense jump coming up. Oh, I thought there was a jump right there. Oh, damn it. Ten switch. I swear that the grind rail was not there. Whoa. Hello. We didn't get our lacerators back. Okay then. Oh crap. All we have is the lacerators, so we're just gonna have to use them, I guess. Any weapons in here? Do I have to like find them, and if I don't get them back, oh, it's a turret. No. Oh wow, it's above a lot of health. Die, nurse of Ratchet. Ha, because she's Ratchet. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'll just activate it. Bam. Oh no, it's a bird. Oh my god, it's a freaking brew. Oh my god, it's a freaking brew. Oh my god, it's a freaking brew. Birds. TBT birds. Oh my gosh, it's my bird. I don't know what these do. Oh, they activated those turrets, I think. Step on them, they activate turrets. Oh gosh, it's these. You play as Clank a lot in this game, don't you? No, don't eat him. He's just Ratchet. Is there any reason this takes forever? I don't like this freeze thing. It's not fun. Alright, doors repaired. But we have 1 health. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's just bad. No, I don't even want to. No. Oh, more turrets? More turrets. Oh, what? Oh gosh. Yeah, no turrets. Oh my god, there's an engineer there. No, I just got hit. What? What? I don't understand. And we got the concussion gun somehow. What? Dead, I'm dead. I now have the acid, I'm dead. Ah, stupid turrets. Stupid Clank things. Clank. Clank, why does your levels in this game have to be so stupid? I don't know. What did I do? Do you have an explanation, Clank? Explanation, Clank? Do you have an explanation? So you just seem like an idiot with bad levels. Uh-oh, bunch of people. And turrets. That's not my favorite. Okay. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill one of them, kill them. Woo, yes. You guys are all dead. Get all that. Ooh, I'm so rich. I'm so rich. Because you are a motherfucking genius. I now have all my weapons. How great. I almost continued on without them, but apparently you need them. Okay, we are gonna check out some Agents of Dom. Agents of Dom, go! Go, Agents of Dom! Are they using their guns? Or they just... Oh, they chuck grenades, I think. I think that's what they're doing. I'm not sure. I stopped paying attention. Blow them up! Yeesh, you guys take forever. Blow them up with a suck cannon, I swear. Oh my god. That's what I get when I trust the Agents of Doom to do my work. They do nothing. They don't do jack crap. Wow. That's poor. That's poor. That's poor right there. I don't want the acid bomb blood. It sucks. I was about to say, did I like lose all my ammo? Turrets and men, turrets and men. My favorite. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Die. Oh, they all died. Okay. Thought I was gonna die. Now I now have all my weapons. Isn't that just swell? Surrounded, kid. Now die. Well, that went a lot faster than it did last time. Oh, 60,000. We got quite a bit of bolts. What are we gonna buy? I know there's gonna be something. Oh, nope. Cancel that. Oh, the box breaker. The bolt grabber. And the beat my glove. 20,000 for that crap? We're gonna buy the Be My Glove, we're gonna buy this, we can't buy that. Because we're poor as hell. Okay. Oh my gosh, another Clank freeze thing. Ah. And this time it takes forever. Forever. Die! Oh. I don't like this. Where did they go? Why are they doing that? They're like going everywhere. Yeah. Then why did you even announce it if you're going to just disregard it? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Oh, you didn't hit him. You're about to though. I can see you. You just want to touch the booty. I know it's irresistible. Don't touch the booty. No! No booty for you. You might want the booty, but you ain't going to get the booty. Just keep shooting, just keep shooting, just keep shooting, just keep shooting, shooting. That one just died, so, you know, I'm fine with them just dying, like, randomly. Be my glove in your face! Oh wow, that's pretty non-powerful. Let's just get to a gun. I got health now. Oh, I don't have any health. I thought I would have health, but I don't. Get off of it! You're not helping. You're just gonna be dead. Is that good? I'm still using the lacerators. That's sad. I should be using something else, really. Honestly, the only gun I can use is the lacerators at this point in emergency. Because I'm very low on health. So I just gotta be in the sense of urgency and just shoot them lacerated. Oh, great. Look at them guys. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You are dead. Mr. Who? Report to surgery? Oh, hell no. You go die. Yeah, I can't reach it. Yeah. Oh, it's like a big party. Oh, they're still trying to kill me. Okay. Once I get full health, I'll jump down here and be like, Scorcher! Scorcher! Oh, my agents do woken. Wow, I didn't even know they could do that. Because they take forever. Oh, jeez. Okay. Screw this. Did I even get that health? Oh, turn up for what? Turn up for what?
What is this place? I believe it is a laboratory of some sort.
Okay.
Nobody messes with me like this.
Ratchet, you idiot!
We must leave before it is too late.
Oh my god, you idiot. He blew up the whole place. What a mentally challenged person. Oh, we got something. Oh wait, another self-destruct thingy. Let's just put these on. Oh my no. Alright, let's go before we all die. Oh my, another one. Another. Oh. Oh. That's how you go up. You click X to go up. What? What? No. No, unacceptable. Stop it! I'm staying on the ground. Oh, there's too many of them. Oh, he's dead. Oh my gosh. I'm sticking on the ground this time. Stupid ice thing. Why can't we just like kill him? Why is this thing even here? This stupid ice thing. And why is it so like so like weak? It's like horrible. No. See, this is way more controlled on the ground, so I don't know why there's death. It's like it's meant to kill their own enemies at a very weak rate. Their own friends at a very weak rate. No! Oh my gosh! The guy with the ice was in the way. Ugh. No, get him! Get him! Oh, he went behind that door. Shoot! The ice is in the way. I can't get him. Oh, this is stupid. Okay. How come when he's just like done, when he's done, he doesn't like get off and be like. Button smashing. This is it. This is button smashing. You'll win. Okay. No! Stop hitting him! Stop hitting him! Stop hitting him! Oh, get away from him! Get away! Get away! He shoots the wrong things. I don't want him. Die! Just die! Just die! Just die! Just die! They all died. Yes! Oh yes! Oh my gosh! You don't know how happy I was just to kill those enemies. Wait, I want to go up higher. Oh crap. Okay, maybe I should start on this side then. You can go up higher. Oh no, you just do this. Yes! Titanium bolt. Self-destruction approach initiated. We should hurry. Whoa! Okay guys, I had a plan to record a lot of Ratchet and Clank size matters today, just to celebrate the finish of Resistance. Because we beat Resistance, and that game was good, so I gotta play this game. Don't assist the turret. Don't assist the turret. Don't assist the turret. That's it. Don't assist the turret. And I died. If I gotta do that stupid clank thing again, I swear. Okay. What? Jump. Okay, all the ammo in the world is mine. I want this thing to upgrade. So yeah, I know it might be stupid to use it, but I just want it to upgrade. Yes, that's it. That's all I wanted. Now I'm gonna use the lacerators just to like finish off this little group of people. Actually, there's still some agents that do now because now they're upgraded to level 3, so I think they'll actually start killing people. Because they're doing pretty poor, honestly. They were doing good at first. Now they're doing pretty poor. And then my little agents are doing, so they should like be good. But I bet they're fine. You know, they just under depression. They're just depressed. Okay, can you kill them like faster? There you go. That's working. This seems to work. Kill them. Kill them. Kill him. Kill him. Okay, this is taking forever. We're just gonna use the concussion gun. Yes, concussion gun upgrade. It looks tiny. We just get in our ship. We turn the volume. Not get in our ship.
This station is about to explode. We must leave now. Here it is. Luna's last entry.
The tests are complete, Emperor Otto. I'm headed to the city with the package now.
Excellent. Are you sure the contents are perfect?
Quite sure. We created one subject, and it took 26 of our best warriors to destroy it. How are things coming on your project?
I planted the fake evidence. Quark's weak mind is so easy to manipulate.
I will contact you when the delivery is completed. Luna, out.
Oh,
I have the coordinates.
you stupid. Medical Outpost Omega. Oh, look at it. It looks so oh my god, it's this douchebag. Hey.
Okay, here's the deal. I've got these 2 identical skyboards for us to use, right? We'll race one more time to prove who's the best. Is that a polarizer attached to your dark matter acceleration module? Whoa, so it is. I never really noticed it before. So what do you think, Runt? You want to give it another go? I'll give you the polarizer if you beat me.
Alright, in the next episode we will do the race because we have to. Sadly, we have to. So, I will just end it here. Let's go into Dreamtime. I'm just kidding. Wow, that's kind of weird. But, you know, my name's either GV, and I'll probably do a lot of episodes today. And I'm out. Peace.